So in this video we're going to look at how to make part 3. So first we're going to go up to Sketch and we're going to click on the front plane when it goes orange. Over here then, click straight in, so we're looking directly in at the piece. And up here we're going to click on Circle, right in the center. When the little dot goes orange, click on that, drag it out, and we're going to make that there radius 10. So if we go up here and find Smart Dimension, click on that there, drag it out. So if it's radius 10, its diameter is 20. Now we're going to draw another circle directly down beneath it. And you'll see that there's a little dashed line there. It's going to show you that it's directly beneath it. Again, dimension. Again, 20. Now the distance between those two circles is 24. So when we're still in dimension, click the center of the circle, drag it out, and the distance between the two of them is 24. Next we're going to draw a line from the edge of this circle to the edge of this circle. And then hit escape, another line from the edge of the circle to the edge of the circle, hit escape again. Next we're going to trim those. So if we go up here and find the scissors, hit trim, get rid of that, click on those there too. Next we're going to draw a circle inside in here, and one down here. The diameter of both of those is 8. Again, dimension. Click on this one here, 8. Click on this one here, 8. Now, up here we have a button here, tangent. Click on that there. Click on this circle, click on this line. That's better now. And the same over here, click on this, click on this. To finally finish off the piece, we're going to go here to where it says extrude. And the thickness of the piece is 3. Down here, we're going to make that 3, and then 3 millimeters. Green tick that, and that is piece 3 complete.